Hi, JD here again. So this is going to be a really short video. It's nothing to do with finance. What I just wanted to talk very quickly about is a short follow-up video to one which I've uploaded today. That's Monday, Tuesday even, the 16th of April 2019. I spent the weekend a couple of days ago giving the Porsche 911 a full detail, and I'll put a link up to this video, that video here. If you haven't already seen it. It's a long video. I would recommend skipping loads of bits because a lot of it's pretty boring, but I was really pleased with the outcome. I gave the car a full detail, machine polish, and what I want to talk about quickly now is the ceramic car coating that I put on the vehicle's paintwork after it was refined, and that was this, which is Pyramid. Well, that's going to come into focus. Pyramid Car Care ceramic car coating. The reason I tried this is because I've used other products in the past, and they can be a little bit tricky to work with. Certainly if you're not indoors, certainly if you can't keep your car out of the elements for a day or two. The nice thing about this Pyramid Car Care ceramic coating is that I certainly found it extremely easy to use, extremely user friendly. And as you'll see from the previous video, it's very easy to put on. You let it flash for a minute or two, and then you just buff it off. And then within a few hours, probably not even that actually, I think it's actually 30 minutes, wait 30 minutes before driving and 4 hours before getting wet, and do not wash the vehicle for 3 days after application. So unlike other coatings where you have to keep the car in overnight and let it cure, within 30 minutes you can literally drive the car away. What I also like to say is that if you go to the Pyramid Car Care website, and I'll put a link to that in the description, if you use JD Car Finance, all in lowercase, you'll get a discount. So definitely worth checking this out. It retails at $69.99, but you'll get a discount, as I say, if you use that code. And I'm not sure how long it's going to last for, but you also get a free microfiber applicator pad to go with it. So I just want to do a very quick video on that. If you are interested in car detailing, if you are kind of getting into ceramic car coating for the first time, and you're a little bit apprehensive about using more of the professional products, not that this isn't a professional product, but in terms of usability and application, ease of use, definitely check it out. Pyramid Car Care ceramic car coating. Use that discount code, get yourself a little bit of a discount. Definitely worth checking out. I've got a couple of videos in the pipeline that have been recommended, suggested by you guys. Really appreciate that. One is comparing a brand new BMW M5 with a year-old one, and just to see a little bit like the video I did on the used M4 a few months back, just to see which is kind of the best to go for. And then somebody else left me a really kind comment on the channel. Said he's spreading the word about the channel, so that's great news. And he would like me to do a video on a Volkswagen Golf R, brand new versus a couple of years old. So I'll try and get around to those as soon as I can. At the moment, let me just show you this. I'm sat in my new office, but as you can see, I haven't got a desk yet. So that's why I'm kind of sitting on a chair without anything in the background. So we're nearly there. I've moved house, but my desk is coming any next couple of days, and so I'll get back on a couple of car finance videos for you very soon. So thanks for watching. Please comment and like and subscribe as usual. See you next time. Take care.